I should start working on this on YouTube. Yep, we are live on YouTube. And on Discord. Hey buddies, hey everybody. So, alright, hope you guys can hear me and see the screen. If everything is good, could just continue. So we start, of course, with the daily, see what the daily did. Real quick, we don't really need to pay attention to anything. And it's good, always good. EPS and AQ as well, especially on the daily. AQ is obviously leading. We have these SMTs at the highs. I just noticed that. Anyway, so we did tap into yesterday's BPR. We moved so much I can barely see where. This BPR. Our smart money reversal yesterday. What was this? Right here. Sorry, this one. We have volume imbalances, so we can use that. That was our drawn liquidity, and this is where we rejected from the market yesterday. Right here. Okay. So we looked for longs here yesterday, and we took it. I remember it was really nice, very fast paced. This stream is on YouTube, so you can check it out. Let's have a look at 4 hours. I'll start speeding up with the text and the speaking and stuff once some of this caffeine and shisha nicotine gets into my brain. 4 hour, still respecting. Even CPI could not close above this 4 hour. Remember this 4 hour from yesterday, guys? Even CPI could not crack through it. Thank you. Similar scenario. So until we crack above this, I will not be considering longs, to be honest with you, like long term, not long term, like for this week, the remainder of the week, I would not be looking for the long. Especially for me to start looking for longs, we have to invest all these FEGs, these three, and we'll get changes to delivery right here, but that might take a month or so. Okay. So as a static thing, we're bearish. No matter what the market does, we're bearish. And I think it's pretty easy to say that. We're saying for the following days. Don't need to check the higher time frame. And here we have SMTs, which is pretty much what prompted this pump. See, we have this low, the same low on NQ. ES took a slow, while NQ clearly did not. That's smart money divergence, smart money tool, smart money technique. It just basically means after all this dump, smart money are now tilting their hands, showing you they're folding. They're saying, okay, I want to reverse, but they won't reverse both of them. They will let one run a bit, and then the other one would literally reverse. So people will be like, oh, okay, this one dumped, so NQ has to dump. Oh, we have a low here, let's go target. And they'll be not targeting shorts here, targeting the star, and they get smacked up the ass. Okay, so it's basically the opposite of what the retail does. So basically it's like the opposite of Six Sisters. Six Sisters is like this is the leading sister. This one goes to the club. ES goes to the club, and its sister Nasdaq gets jealous and wants to go to the club too. So it tries its best to come back to it, and it would also go to the club, which is right here. Here is this the divergence is not complete opposite. And so how can you define how can you like check between the two? Like how can you know if this is going to be a Six Sister or if this is going to be a SMT? And the real answer here is you can't. It's chart experience. Whoever tells you otherwise is bullshit. According to ICT, it takes eye skills. Okay, but for us, like to get some of the probability on our side, what you can do is you can wait for displacement. So after the market dumps, it took a low, it's continuing down. What did NQ do here? It did a pump, okay? So this here, if we invest like an FEG or something, form like a BPR or like form a breaker block and hold it 1 minute FVG, or just inverse one opposing PD array, you can be sure that, not be sure, but you can have a better probability that this is actually SMT and not a six sister. So we will leave this low and tap. Please turn your mic off. Bro is in a fishbowl right now. Okay, does that make sense? So here we displace, that's not enough. Displacement on its own is not enough. It is enough, kind of, but inverse something is much clearer. And you will get something like this move, okay? So we're not just inversing any fair value gap and then just take it short. We're just inversing it because at SMT, we're expecting this SMT to hold. If we do inverse this, then this is actually an SMT and not a continuation. Otherwise, this FVG would have been respected. And it's a 5-minute, 15-minute one. It's not a small one, like a tiny 15-second one. Oh, I love coffee. I hate coffee, but when you're fasting, you need everything. Pretty much we got this feed 15 minutes. Yes, we just tapped into the 15-minute Ori or first presentation from Tuesday, so yesterday. And Monday's one is we were rejected, and Wednesday's one, which is today, is right here. So a lot of good confluences. Okay, so this would have been the target for longs or like an entry to go continue the longs. I just noticed that now. Let's have a look. ES, InQ is the same thing. So this here we might be able to look for some shorts, guys. We might be able to look for some shorts. If I can get it correctly. I'm pretty much should be targeting this. It's the 15-minute. But that's not the 15 minute. Let's check the 5-minute. So I'm enticed with the shorts, kind of. But I have to draw these. And the 5-minute as well is the same as the 15, just a little bit bigger. And finally, hold on, if I just remove this. Okay, that's good enough. So we have these couples, okay? These will help us guide. This will guide us towards what we're going to be looking for. Let's check the 5-minute real quick. So this is the 15-minute, and this is the 5-minute. So I'm going to combine both of them together, and we have another 15-minute below it. Sorry, 5-minute below it. Okay, and of course, the one above the 4-hour. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 4-hour. So yeah, what did we do? We came up with inverse this, we formed SMT, and this SMT we also bypass not just a 15-minute FPG, also this 5-minute. Again, Tuesdays 9:35 first FPG formed alpha market open. On Tuesday was this one. We pumped up, we used this one, the 15-minute one, support. It's also an first presentation. And finally, we went above this one. We tapped into the higher time frame one. I mean, sorry, to the higher one. We came back all the way down. Sorry, we came all the way up, came all the way back down, all the way back up. So this would be my target for longs. But I'm more interested in taking a short here, all the way back down here. If we can get a nice setup. So we have a 5-minute breaker block right here. Am I on NQ? I'm on NQ. Oh. You're supposed to be on micros, guys. Is there a way to copy all the stuff I draw on NQ onto micros? Oh, I got an idea. I'm a smart guy. Smart guy. Smart guy. looking for some kind of shorts down here. And I'm just gonna color this whole area like this. Save ourselves some time. You guys see what I'm doing? So I'm looking for some shorts here. If you can let me sign in. If we take a short here like this, with micros, press 33 ticks. Target this, that's a 2R, that's nice, okay. Let's see if we can find an entry. If it lets me, damn it, open my paper trade. So somewhere around here would be a nice entry. But I want us to go below these. Maybe inverse this while we add it. If we stay above this area, we're very bullish. Where is it, man? Well, we're inversing 5 minutes, so it's more looking more bullish right now. Oh, there we go. We signed up the break. Okay. So shorts around here, guys, and we'll see if we can get this. I want to take it with like 3 micros and see how it goes, because this area here might support the price. Let's take the 1 minute. If we start 2 micros, what the hell's going on? Oh, you guys seeing this? Look. Bro, what's going on, man? This is ridiculous. There we go. If we take 2 micros, we're risking $100 to make in 300. I need a little more confirmation. Then the rest of this 1 minute will probably smack a short. Alright, let's smack it. Let's get $142. I swear it was 100. Oh, we got a shit fill. Now my trading is lagging right now. We cut this trade. We cut it here. $400. We wanted to risk $100. I knew it's gonna hold. I knew it's gonna hold. But it held. Yeah, it's better to go look for longs here. We swept these lows, we just formed a breakup block, and we have these levels which we're struggling to close below. That should have been a long instead of a short. That should definitely be a short. Look, we have the SMTs as well. I think it's just gonna consolidate. It's right. Let's have a look. Where do we have BPRs? Where's maybe BPRs? Oh no. We have two BPRs. Yep, we just shorted a BPR, guys. I'm sorry. And it came back straight to break even anyway. And we have one more. So many BPRs. This makes a high resistance. If you have so many BPRs, it makes a high resistance. Yeah, so it's gonna, you see, price will just play between these levels. Look below it, above it. So we have to wait until this area gets cleared. I see ES going to this high. That may push E and NQ to this high. So if we can frame like a long to this area. Our entry was perfect for longs, guys. I can see we get another retracement down that maybe we can find an entry in. How's the 5 minute doing, like based on sweep strategy? Oh, we're in the middle of the range right now. You can do either way right now. Any end dogs? Previous day high, we're previous day high and mid high. Okay. Okay. So ES is definitely going this way. This is going here. That's gonna drive NQ up, but I wanna. I can't believe we shorted that perfect long area. I was just too zoomed in. I'll wait for a nice retracement. Close above this VPR, we're gonna go straight here, guys. But we can dig a little bit into like discount. Maybe to the opening price of this order block. This is not bad. That's it. Yes, for the break. On the breakup block one, yes. If we can find an entry here, it would be nice. Dump down into this BPR. We dump it. We dump the market down to this BPR. It's perfect. So dump it down to here. Respect it. Form 1 minute effigy, and it will just smack it. Or actually, just respect this effigy and this place up. We'll smack along. Thank you. I want to come back to this VPR, respect it from 1 minute space, but I see if it feels this volume imbalance, it might start running. Like, yes, it might just start running too. Here is where you decide if you're a trader or you're just if you just want to like, just rush everything. So you came back straight to our entry, right? Pretty much. So now I want to see a respect. Came back to the BPR. Is it respecting it? This would be a really nice entry. Look, it came straight to our entry. You see that? Almost zero drawdown. But we want to see it respect it first. So old me would just wick into this, tell super up, and then just get out while it goes up that few points. But we want to see if it holds, because look at this candle. This candle can go all the way right down like this. See? He held this BPR. It's the spacing up from this thing. That's beautiful. If it spaces up, I'll probably smack along there. Okay? Even we can smack along here. What we saw at this place. Above this order block. We tap into it there. Okay? There's 5 points on this trade. Above the order block. Again, if you try to form, you saw it do what you wanted it to do, right? You want it to displace come back to this area and displace up. It did that. But if you bought here, it went all the way back down here and you would have been in shock. So wait for the candle to close. Look, NQ is forming immediate rebalance to the downside. Abolish mission, guys. Abolish mission. Abort mission. Abort mission. Abort fucking mission, bro. No longs an NQ, bro. No longs an NQ. No longs an NQ. Even ES, they probably have to drive both together, but like NQ is gonna dump a little bit right now. It's gonna do fast dump. Really fast dump. ES looks clearer to go long. So we had this displacement. If you smack along here, shall we try it? Let's try it. Alright, I'm in the long right now, it's not showing. And temporarily, we're just gonna target this. Because that immediate rebalance, hopefully we get it out of this area. But we're risking 5 points, so damn, our entry is so high up. It's supposed to be here. So I'm gonna keep it exactly like I planned it, so we're gonna risk 5 points. It's too tight, but it can be below the breaker, but no, it's too tight in my opinion. Go to 1-1. It's too tight. It's too tight. It's too tight. The stop loss has to be like this, 300. I don't want to risk 300. Let's just de-risk a bit. Alright, that's a good start. Hopefully we don't leave an SMP here. We can de-risk a little bit more. We may come back straight down, but hopefully it just goes straight to TP. One tick away before TP, just in case. Can you run, baby? NQ can stay in the longs until ES touches this box here. So we're at 1-1 right now, 1.5. 1.5. 2 RR right now. I'm leaving a 1 tick below just in case it doesn't want to touch it. Alright, NQ should start jumping now, and ES should do the same. I want to kind of move to break even, but I can see a next candle go down in about 4 seconds. Hopefully in 3 seconds it just makes it higher high. Otherwise it's gonna go dumpy again. It's gonna dump and probably stop us out. Oh, volume imbalance, rebalance, beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. That's not degrading. We can move to break even, and honestly, but I see it. I don't know, guys. Shall we leave it here or never mind? It's only 13 bucks. We're risk free right now. Yeah, we've got it. Touch our TP, guys. Touch our TP. You guys should be filled. You guys should be filled. Again, it's gonna come back straight to break even now. Watch it. But it technically didn't tap this the purple box, but I might have drawn it wrong. That's why I'm leaving it one tick below. Guys, you see this? It tapped our TP. I call this trade a win trade, though. I don't care if it goes back to break even. Let's just secure our early low. There we go. Beautiful. All both. And NQ told you guys we should be going long to this area. He came straight to our entry. You guys remember our entry, but this immediate rebalance scared me, so I deleted the longs on NQ and I kept it on ES. ES, it formed a breaker block. We didn't FOMO in. It supported the breaker block from the top. It's not gonna come back to my entry anymore, right? No, I told you guys, wait. Boom, next counter drops. Our entry was exactly this low right here. It was exactly this low. I can go back and show you guys. It was exactly like this. Zero drawdown. And we targeted this. So what we wanted is we wanted confirmation. So it came back here, it touched our BPR. I wanted to respect this thing and displace. Did it displace? Yes, it displaced. Beautiful. We go long right here. But as soon as this candle closed, the next candle open, it filled me here. Okay? Above this order block, which is exactly what I kind of wanted, just to an extra precaution. And that's it. Drop W's in the chat, gents. So we lost 100 bucks on the first trade and we just made 300 bucks. So we're up 200 bucks on the day right now. This is enough for you guys to secure your daily profits. And Enki hit the target as well. Enki would have printed you guys. This was our entry right here. That's 40 points, guys. You guys are awfully quiet today. Where's Draco? Where's Mayhem? Anathan, you got your mic on. For this first long here, this first short we took here, notice how our stop loss was above the breaker, but we immediately closed it right here at this high, 494 bucks, I think. We immediately got a reaction from the market telling us we are offside. You're offside. And as soon as I saw it pump, I looked back and I said, oh, we swept this low, we got the breaker block, we inverted this BPR, which was not there at the time of the chart. We were trading. So quickly I inversed that and I went back with the trend. Wait for a breaker block. Came back. Wait for a BPR entry. Breaker block plus BPR entry is the best entry you can ever get. It's so good that if it fails, the breaker plus BPR closes below them, you can immediately know that you are offside and you can even smack an opposing short. Okay? You can smack an opposing short. If you're long, you can just manually reverse your position. So for those who don't know what these boxes are, pretty much, look, you can get this indicator for free. It's called 930 ICT 930. We have one right here from yesterday. This is from today. Sorry, this is the purple ones from today. These ones from yesterday. If I go on the like 5-minute, let's see the 5-minute first FVG. Start populating the chart in a second. Well, I guess on 50-minute. There you go. This is the first 15-minute FVG formed 1:30. Oh, this is the PM Ori. They added PM Ori. Here's my settings for it. I'll open it in a second. Wait, no. On Tuesday, on Monday, the first 15-minute FVG we formed was in the PM session. That is insane. Yup, this is the first 15-minute. Here's the settings I'm using. Look, this is Monday, 9:30. The first 50-minute FVG we found was literally the PM. So you can imagine how strong this is. This is a PM and an AM Ori or first presentation. And look at the market. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That is insane. I've never seen that before. And that's pretty much that was our target. Okay? Hope that was useful. And if you guys got any questions? Drop in the chat if you got any questions, or feel free to speak up. The AM session done so badly that the PM session will probably chop, guys. So I'm happy what we caught. We were able to. We would have been able to long this instead of short. I swear I did not see it. That's why I closed the trade early and I started looking for longs. But by the time I realized that it was already out. Yeah. So that would have been a really nice long. We caught the upper portion of it. Notice how we did not chase this area, even though we knew that we offside. We did not chase because there's a BPR that can reject the market. There's another one here, so we waited for confirmation. ES was much clearer. Low, lower, low, higher, high, high, green candles. All of this is a breaker block. All of this. And it's not just a breaker block, it's literally a V-shaped BPR. So this is 1 BPR, 2 BPR, 3 BPR, 4 BPRs, and a breaker block. So you can imagine how strong this is for the market to go up. So BPRs, like we usually say, a dump, a pump, like an FVG, a bearish one, a bullish one. You find the intersection between them two. But look what the market did. It did this. So here it was offering sell side, no buy side. He was offering buy side, no sell side. These two on itself, they balance each other. But like if you check it on a higher fractal, this whole move down and back up was just literally filling or balancing, rebalancing this area and repricing it in. Okay. Once it finished up, you can see the market started to run away. So for the 1 minute, actually the longs are still good until this area. You can go to this area right here. But that's a 1 minute FVG. We took our trade based on the 5 minute, I think, 15 minute. I think it was the 15 minute. So you might expect a bigger disgusting reaction like this going on right here. See, we pump to it, dump it, pump to it, we dump it, pump to it, we dump it. Okay? This 50 minute right here. Even CPI could not break it. Even CPI. But if you're looking for longs, after this, you go to the 1 minute, you check that FVG, then you'll check this will be one of your targets. The next one will be the midpoint of this FVG and the high, of course, sorry, of this, the news candle driver. These are all potential targets for like today, maybe, or like whatever. If you're looking for long, I'm no longer looking for longs right now. But of course, the 1 minute here. AM session by Silent. He made $300 on XFA. We just made 300 as well. And it's the initial $90. Here we form the breaker block. We tap into important level. We set sell side, sorry, buy side. Order block, reject. We invest 1 minute FPG right here. We are back below the BPR. And we just formed the breaker block here. So shorts do look good. Shorts do look good. But I'm not gonna click buttons right now. Shorts do look good. I just think it's gonna consolidate. Like dump, come back up. Dump, come back up. Because all this area, like we mentioned on ES, it's fully rebalanced. Price, once they leave this area, it should not start coming back. Noise, News, I don't know how you say your name, but he said low resistance, good run short. I agree, brother. Already SMT and buy side sweeping you. I agree. Shorts are in play. However, it's not low resistance. It's very high resistance. Very, very, very high resistance. It's exactly why I'm not taking that short. This here is a perfect short for me, but I can't short it because it's so high resistance. It's all balanced. There's nothing here that's not balanced. The only thing that's not balanced is this right here. The Fiji. So here's where you scalp. You sell high, you buy low. Okay, you buy below the lows, you sell above the highs. Like we have this 1 minute here with a new BPR which is formed as well. Look at this, guys. Would you trade this? Like, I can't believe we took a trade on that. Yep, you see the market dumped straight into. Well, we can really tap it, but we call it this volume, this FVG, and this volume imbalance left. Once it feels that it can start buying, they can start buying it back. But that was a beautiful short, guys. You see, beautiful short. And it turns out it was low resistance. Well done, Noise. Watch how they're gonna buy it back. That's what I mean by high resistance. You would be waiting for the short. It would give you like 1, 2, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Then finally you drop. You're so happy, and the next candle just inverse whatever you were expecting. You see how it's high resistance? You see, brother? Beautiful short, perfect short, but it's gonna be high resistance. It could have did easily came into this effigy and then did this pump. Maybe we were targeting this volume imbalance, and it would not give it to us. But like I said, the only thing imbalance here is this effigy and this volume imbalance. The market dumped this hardcore, filled this, and then went all the way back up. That's the definition of high resistance. Sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. Simple, guys. Draco in the house. Finally, Draco. Where you been, brother? I don't care. Where were you, brother? I was alone in the stream, talking to myself. Okay, okay. Apology accepted. I'm a forgiving guy. Yes, sir. You guys get the easy session in the end. I always get the hard session. Exactly, yeah, that's why I chose it. And it's low risk, so we took this long here for 7 points, but we were only risking 5 points with that. Yeah, remember that? Exactly. So if all right, brother. So guys, you can still trade high resistance, but like Draco said, you have to be picky with your exit. So let's say you're short, right? You held through this consolidation and it finally gave you a move. Then you say you automatically, intrinsically in your brain, you have this intrusive thought saying, "Oh, finally we broke out. We got that displacement. Yay, let's go. We're gonna dump from here." And look what happened the next candle. Counts. So in a high resistance, when you get a big down candle, exit your position. It's not your confirmation that you're on the right side. Exit your position, okay? If it's low resistance, once you get this displacement, you should be good to go. You would expect the market to just continue going down. That's very nice. That's very nice. That's very nice. Oh, we go short. We go short. Watch what happens. Try go on paper and click shorts and see what happens. It'll probably work now because you're on paper. Oh shit! I just realized I'm on paper. Oh no! I thought I secured my 200 bucks for today. No. Oh. I'm so stupid. If we invest this BPR, then it's low resistance again. We invest this VPR. ES is going to here. NQ is still resistance right now until ES touches this level. Still no closure below. I closure below the purple box. I closure below the purple box. We close below the BPR, which is great. If we try one micro, we have SMTs, right? Oh, we just formed SMT. Right, am I tweaking? I'm not tweaking, right? Yeah, we formed SMT. This is your signature that the market is now ready to start reversing, maybe. Now you want to wait for an inversion, you want to wait for a displacement and an inversion. What's an inversion? You have to invert the CFPG. What's a displacement? You have to get a big ass spot. I want to try one micro though. I expect this SMT to get lost. I want to try one micro. If it closes below, I'll smack one micro. And I'll exit once ES touches this level. Maybe 2 micros. We want to break the block. Take this optionally if you didn't make any money. Exit the trade once ES touches this level, guys. I expect this to be a 6 sister. Look, we didn't get displacement, we didn't get inversion, so this should be a 6 sister. ES should take the look. Take it out there. Oh my god, why do we never get filled, bro? See how we didn't take any shorts here? This is here low resistance. You see the market's just, it forms a displacement, next counter displace, there, hit it. There we go. Yeah, that's his target. NQ doesn't really have to, but he can actually go down here. If we got filled, then I would have been an extra 200 bucks. Anybody in the shorts? Anybody got filled? Or anybody inside with like a micro or something? Your stop loss should go to break even now because ES already hit its target. ES inversing this would dump it more. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. We just tapped into the breakout in space now. That's 56 points there, right there, guys. So you see, guys, that was a good learning opportunity. The inversion, the SMT or the higher time frame, how it displaced up, inverted FEG, and it continued going back up. Here we've won an SMT. How do you know if it's gonna hold? Well, screen time. So not even screen time, it's just intuition. That was the correct word I was looking for. But here it displaced a little bit, then it's close below it. That's not displacement, not inverted FEG. So you can expect that this SMT to not hold. Tell me, guys, you took that shot. Tell me you took that shot. All right, we invest this, so literally this should literally low resistance from here. I don't know where ES is going next though. It's going here. The NQ show still good until ES touches this level, guys. And it touched it. God damn. NQ can go to this level. Thinking about this trade, but ES has to invest this too. I guess. All right, next level right here. We still have a chance, guys. We still have a chance for the shorts. Still have a chance. Still have a chance for the shorts on NQ. Until he has touched this level. ES touches level, NQ just dump. If ES inverses this, we're going straight to TP. Right now, stop loss has to go to break even. We can attempt this, guys. If you guys want, we can really. Look at this basement.
Yalancıktan oldu. Bir kadar çok sevdim.
We have SMTs right now. Does that invest in Fiji now? Let's see. Can't take this anymore. We have SMT. It's the spacing. You see how we got displacement? Do we invest this if 1 minute Fiji? If yes, we can smack along. But yes, about to invest is FPG. If we invest this, then we can come back to this area. Alright, let's tap along here. He has already took this level, so that's enough, guys. Oh my god. We have to de-risk a bit. We'll make 100 and call it a day for 300 bucks a day. Here where you should go to break even, guys. Here where you should go to break even. We hit our target. We should go to break even. Yeah. ES went straight to this area so fast though. It went straight to. We only can take NQ based on ES direction. But longs still look good right now. I'm not looking for shorts anymore. Maybe we can try with 1 micro. Touch this BPR and then displays up will smack 1 micro. Touch it now. Next counter displays up will take a long stop loss below the breakup block. Something like displacement like this, stop loss here. Close below BPR would have to look for shorts again. So came back to here, displays below BPR, then we should start maybe spawning again now. I don't know. If we get displacement, we'll take a long. If we close below, we'd have to take for short. Let's start one micro here, just in case it starts running. If it closes back above, I'd have to terminate the trade. ES is in a very bullish place. Hopefully this SMT gets overread. If it does, we're gonna go straight to TP. Close there. I'm looking for 90 points trade right here, guys. Risking about $50 for this trade. Yo, brother, 505. $6.36. Damn. We got SMT. That's the only thing worrying me. We have these thingy first presentations from earlier. What's that 505 chat? Oh, oh. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot it's a 500 level. Yeah. $5.30. Oh shit, guys, shows a lot. Shit, visuals. What the hell, bro? No. Nah. No, guys, we're cooked. No, bro. I've backtested you, bro. you have a 99% win rate. Look, bro. Look, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Guys, we're cooked, man. Don't justify anything. We just say we're cooked. It's so cooked right now. I wanna exit this. Bro, it has the biggest pump I've ever seen in my life. The moment P Jones comes, bro. 590. We gotta stop down. As soon as P Jones comes in, I swear the biggest count. It was going so well. So we're on 90s right now, yeah. Now, long, shorts are good, guys. I'm going long. I'm gonna speak to your manager to keep you in meetings longer. Oh shit, true. True. Up. But at least I'm in a long now. I'm not fading P Jones, bro. Bro, I can't do my thing because the market is manipulated by P Jones, bro. You guys don't understand. Bro, look at the chart. It was dumpy. P Jones says hello guys, and then boom. Pigeons is the next Powell, bro. Pigeons, do not tell me you have a meeting, bro. You're staying with us on the stream until we hit TP, bro. You're staying with us on the stream until we hit TP. It should be pigeons on the picture now, on the shot now. Like Powell can pump it or dump it depending depending on his tie, depending on his hello, good afternoon. But Pigeons is guaranteed. If Pigeon says hello, it's literally pumping, bro. True. No, don't say that. I only have one micro, bro. That's our TP right now. Your stop loss is our TP. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. We're forming a volume immediate rebalance right now. Yes, sir. Alright, we're break even right now. We're gonna form immediate rebalance. We should see big pumps, big candles up and fast with velocity. I don't know how long that's gonna last, so I was gonna target equilibrium, but we're already at equilibrium.
For the rest till like we get something. It has to be.
Just because we're long now, pigeons.
No. Seriously, because they did that run up and down multiple times already. So it's kind of like, okay, they're gonna shove people around here up and down. Again.
Seems more and more like a little PP touch, PPI.
What?
A little PP touch for PPI.
Okay. You saved yourself there with that explanation.
What should I just say? Kicked in the dick? Is that better? Is that more clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
I'd rather take a kick in the dick than a little pee-pee touch. Fucking. Sheesh.
Hey, I'll take anything after 4 years of shitty diaper baby sniffer.
Hey, yo.
Bro would take a pee-pee.
Yeah. Certified pee-pee toucher.
Bro's not denying it. First he was sending Harlequin fake team of Harlequins, and now he wants pee-pee.
Oh, dude, she's got that NQ energy, man. That's why it's perfect.
Maybe we should just take our $50, guys.
To the moon.
If we close above this price presentation on ES, above it, we should be good.
Luke, do you have Trading View?
Yeah.
Go to Banana Hackers real quick.
All right.
If you have time. I know you're managing the trade.
You mean on the chat or like the stream? The voice stream?
The chat, the Banana Hackers chat.
Okay, I'm there.
And then download that zip.
I'll download the virus for you, babe. Yeah, what's in that?
Oh shit, that's not the one. Fuck. I thought I was giving you fig Newtons, but you now you've got 5 points. That might not be the final version, so just hold on to that and I'll update it. No, it's not in the public domain either. Shit. All right. Well, when I get home, I'll send you the code for the indicator on TradingView for fig Newton.
Okay.
Think of them like your white lines that you like to use.
I downloaded that one, but let me down.
Okay. Yeah, that you have to have a direct feed into live data for a Ninja Trader, but it's worth it. It's an actual strategy. It's got buttons. It literally has a selection dashboard for you to. It's like a real bot, dude, like a real strategy bot.
It's either they're gonna push me or they can't, one way or another. At this moment, if they're gonna do it or no.
Where are we at right now?
620.
About to hit TP, guys. Oh, we hit TP.
Yeah. 630 is gonna be a little bit rough, and then if they want to push it, they push it above.
The intraday 5-minute breaker at that level that we just ran into here at like 627 roughly. Been
Yeah.
watching that since we fell.
I'm about to get shaboinged.
Oh, I thought you were about to say, it's gonna get physical.
Oh God, fuck no. No,
Guys, we just
sir.
made
He's talking
50
about
points with one
shaboing
micro.
boings.
50 ticks, 1 micro, guys. 50 points. Good stuff. We made back. We made back our
Good.
Thank
pigeons
you.
lost.
Awesome, guys. Awesome.
You see what
For the
happens when
point
Pijans
analysis.
joins chat?
Yeah.
We take that as an indicator for a long signal.
It is, bro. I long basically based on pigeons, nothing else.
I am P24, never heard of her. We got Pijans.
It's pigeons 24.
Yeah.
I'm renaming him, bro. Pigeons.
Oh, they got the 630, 35, huh? Okay, nice. Nice.
Chad, you gotta stop that, buddy.
Okay, good to know.
I'm just kidding. We're one
Better
tick
luck.
away.
Better
One
luck
tick away.
next time.
You got 2 points. You got 2 points. Holy
Oh, boy.
shit! Oh shit! You're in profit, Pigeon. Hadley, you're in profit. We got out exactly where we wanted, guys. You see, sniper exit.
Yeah, exactly. 630 was a little bit bumpy.
What happened? Did it stop and turn around?
Yes, sir. It dumped like a father.
But
It's
what is
that
that?
fair
Like a
value
1
gap.
second? That's a
Look in the
15
main
second.
look in the main sweep chat and look at how I drew the fair value gap and tell me if we got to the top of it or whatever.
No, we didn't get that. If we did, you would have got stopped out.
Okay.
You're in profit right now. Don't worry.
Okay. Did you get out?
Yeah, I got out right at the top.
Okay, good.
Oh, it's my bank's
Watch
going
it
back to
again. They watch it again. They take that 630 again and they hold it. They're gonna push it a little bit more.
No, guys.
Yeah,
You're
it'll
pigeons.
go to the next big figure, Fig Newton,
Yep.
above if that happens.
But they need to show strength or like some sort of a tweet, something to push those machines. Oh, man.
The SMT held. You see, guys, how we got 3 SMTs today. The first one worked. The second one we know it didn't work, and the third one worked. Oh, yeah.
I'm hearing an excessive amount of silence, time without air horns for that statement, and it's kind of disturbing. Okay.
I got you.
So I think we're gonna need more cowbell.
Where is
Oh,
it?
Air
God.
horns.
What was it called again?
The air horn. It's the standard built into the soundboard.
Oh shit.
Yeah,
That
there
one.
we go. There you
But, Chad, he needs more cowbell. Only the real ones know what that's from, Chad.
the old best.
NQ, what the F?
All units
Oh,
be
shit.
advised, I'm currently wearing thigh-high socks to look more cuter.
Yeah, there you go. There's the one.
I thought that was my Top Step X talking to me at first.
Orders filled.
Zaddy?
High filled. Oh shit, dude. If you make like an AI that shows up on screen, like the face, an AI girlfriend type shit that these stupid nerds are doing, but then have it just say trading related stuff, you'd be a fucking billionaire. Order filled. You're trading and a face pops up on the chart. It's like order filled.
Winks at ya, tongue out.
I don't know about all that. Get your mind out of the gutter.
The degens would pay for it, bro. You know it.
It's so weird, man. I guess
The gooners.
male loneliness has arrived. Just go out and get rejected. What the fuck, dude?
Tell her she's cute, and then, she's gonna reject you.
No, you meet them somewhere where you can sit down at a table, and you just sit down and say, "Sorry, I'm late."
That's it.
That's it. And when they say, "What the fuck are you doing?" you just say, "Oh, I'm sorry. We're meeting for a date, right? Aren't you Tiffany?"
Looks at phone.
Oh, okay, all right. Whoops, my bad. Well, hey, while I have you, what's your name? And then just go from there.
Oh, you like food?
150 calories, 200 grams of protein.
I like food too. What's your favorite food?
I'm so jaded on American women, so don't listen to me.
Oh, you have a dog? Cool. What's his name? I like dogs.
Have you seen the Say Potato? I don't use dating apps, and I feel
Apologize to the law.
very.
Sorry, my bad.
Apology denied.
I feel sorry for anybody who has to encounter women on that. But apparently, there's something called bots, answer bots, or something for engagement. I don't know how it works,
Yeah, bro.
but
I wanna show this.
like you like try. They say hi, and it's like almost realistic and shit. So the guy's like trying to get them to say something. He's prompting them like, "Say potato." And it's just like, "My name is blah blah. What are your interests?" He's like, "Say potato." It's a YouTube short. You could probably find it. Say potato, Tinder, or something.
You know what
I
they
think it's
do
Tinder, one of
on
those.
Tinder? They have, like you said, bots, like girl bots, and then they talk with you, but they're real people, and then they tell you go to this cafe, like to this like bar, and I'll meet you there, and then the guy goes early and all set up, and then they will start ordering stuff, and then the girl never comes, and then they'll have to pay the bill, and they split the money between the bar owner and scammer.
Yo, that's wild.
Yeah. That's why I take them to my
What an
shisha cafe.
out-of-pocket way to.
Alright, Chad, you're about to get
We
stopped
need to
out,
get
brother.
some. Okay, we're coming back up for it then, eh?
You still got like 20 points, don't worry.
It wants the top of that fair value gap and beyond. Then wherever P. Johns is looking for up top is probably pretty close to the big figure.
Pigeon's awfully quiet right now. Where is Pigeon's? Pigeon's 24.
No,
Speak up.
I'm listening to you guys. I just wanted to see it to break 630 again and hold. 630 and hold, they will push you. But if not, they will keep like playing around with these couple points here and there.
Look, man, you can't fucking hide from us, okay? We all know you're inversing every trade, all right? You're a millionaire by now, and you're on your way on a plane right now as we speak to Fiji, okay? It's caught
Hey, listen, dude.
4K.
I wish that my deep pocket could move the market. I wish. Oh boy.
Holy shit, dude!
Right, you
If
got
you don't
stopped
laugh,
out.
you die in this market.
There you go, 630. Yeah,
Yeah,
they're gonna keep messing around with that
I
number.
swear I was gonna long to 630. I swear, but like people are watching.
Is it actually 36s already, or is it
It's
just
Yeah,
37
we're
and a
in.
half, 37
Yeah.
and a half, 30, yeah,
okay?
35.
All right,
You keep messing
they
around.
got me.
We came back to the
Okay, they
Oregons.
massacre.
Can smack a short here, maybe. We got Chadley's exit liquidity for us, guys. It's paper exit liquidity.
If they're gonna do that, it makes me feel like a run to 750s, an attempt to get there is gonna happen.
They need to do that 680 first before that 750 again. 680 is gonna give them a little bit of kind of like
It's a good 50-point range to work with.
yeah.
Hey Luke, let's try an experiment if you want. Is this a real account or a combine?
Paper right now.
Paper? Okay, drop to a 15-second. Do you have a GAN box?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you know how to mark a dealing range?
Yeah.
Okay. I want you to look on the 15-second chart. Look for the most obvious swing low reversal point. The most obvious and latest, not necessarily latest, but where's the biggest moves originating from? Okay?
Yeah.
And visually scan through that leg for order blocks. Okay? And I want you to draw square boxes, order blocks.
Okay.
Let me know when you started drawing them. And you're always picking, if there's a cluster of them in a swing or multiple side by side, you're always picking the lowest body block or series of blocks in a bullish scenario.
Okay.
We're going to build a model real quick, so just follow if you got time.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now you're going through, as you go up, you're going through each and every, like from, I guess, what, 530s all the way up to 636s.
Yeah.
Look for the short-term swing lows, which is basically the pause and retracements, and it forms the ultimate low wherever that ends up. Now look for the lowest order block in there and mark those out.
They're very far away, right? At 615s.
That's fine. Keep going up the chain. Just mark them all out from 530s. Just the relevant lowest body blocks in each swing retracement on the way up.
Okay.
Okay?
I scalped those 12 points on ES from 5600, 5597. I don't know if I keep. Actually, no, done. Done.
We have 625s right
How
now.
many do you have?
But I think they're prepping for the PPI tomorrow.
We're
Dude.
inside one right now.
It looks
It's
like it.
spacing up.
Yeah.
How many blocks do you have on right now?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. And are you drawing them so that the top of the block is drawn to the body, anchored to the body, and the bottom of the blocks, of these order blocks, are anchored to the lowest wick of them?
Yeah.
Okay. Now all I need you to do is go through the 4 that you have so far and tell me if you see a fair value gap made up of it, connected to it, or shortly right after.
Shortly right after.
Okay. And inside of that shortly right after, or right before it, or right after it somewhere, usually before the fair value gap, is there a jade block, a body close above an actual swing
Yes.
high somewhere?
Yes.
And it can be near or it can be a little bit to the left, but it has to be an actual swing high.
There's a bearish J block.
No, you're looking for bullish jade blocks on the way up.
Oh, there isn't.
Yeah, the 630s again.
Remember, all it takes is a body close above a swing high on the way up, and it's usually right after the order block and right before the fair value gap that connects to the order block, or part of it in between.
Okay, we have a body close above a high, but it's not an FEG. And I wanted to long that order block you drawn, but it's already displaced to like 40s now.
They don't have to be connected.
It's that one at like 227 roughly, Luke. I think that's one you'd be looking at.
And 230 came in right now and start like to push, so 648, 649, 50s. Yeah.
We got a jade block now.
Watch 680
Okay.
first, and then we'll see if they can pop above it again.
So the question is, do you have an order block? Do you have a fair value gap connected to or in proximity, which means nearby, of that order block? Or a jade block included?
Yeah.
Okay. And so then you mark the order block and the jade block with a square box and refine it to the top of the body for the order block and the jade block.
Okay.
And then mark the fair value gap. If there's multiple fair value gaps, like back to back, like literally nothing in between them, no price action, then you mark them as one whole fair value gap. Okay? Now all you're doing is you're looking for a swing low, the very first swing low that forms, touching or inside of either the fair value gap, the J block, or both, depending on how the structure looks.
Okay.
Did they form a swing low?
We came back to that FEG inside that whole combination. We displaced up though from the swing low.
All I need to know is, did we form one swing low right immediately or sometime right after fair value gap, the jade block, and the order block are for.
We form the inside
If we
of it.
did, yeah, that's fine. If you did, then you put a limit order right there, and the first time it gets tagged is 5 points. That's the 5 points model.
Alright,
You put a
let's
limit
try.
order to buy, you put your stop loss below wherever the order block is. Now, the whole kicker that drives the whole model is that that order block that you're looking at must be in the discount of some type of dealing range. Either a swing high to a swing low, you measure that, or the most recent push up before your model shows up. If the model comes back and forms inside of a retracement, it can be discounted that too, or both.
But Chad, let me ask another question. Do you do that model during this extreme volatility with the 5 points, and what is
Yeah.
the risk under that for?
The order block defines the risk because you go a couple ticks below in the bullish example here. You go a couple ticks below, and then you're always looking for at least 3 times, maybe
Let's
2.8.
go. We hit 5 points.
Okay.
I'm out.
Now put your stop where it's supposed to be.
Oh, I just TP'd there. Oh, it hit my TP and it dropped hardcore. Whoa. It hit 5 points to the tick and it dropped.
With this volatility, is hard to manage those. But good, absolutely.
So a couple days ago, there was 5 of them in a row, and each of them produced 200 to 300 points in profit if you structured them with the breaker swings for exits.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Okay.
But that was the 2-minute model. This is the 15-second one.
Nice. You gotta show it on
And
stream on that. I think I did it correctly. We had the breaker block in discount, and then we formed the JD block, and then we formed an FVG inside the FVG. We formed a swing low. I put my limit order as a total stop inside the swing low, and then I put my stop loss below the order block, and I TP'd 5 points. It worked.
oh, you're not supposed to TP 5 points, but it's good probably that you did in this volatility so
we came
high
back
up
to 10
in
points
the
now.
chain.
They have 650 here. 650 breaks with that bearish, like kind of like fair value gap. 679 will trade.
I'm home, so let me get to my computer. I'll be right.
But they need to break that 650 hard to push higher.
I really want to short here though.
Say that again.
I really want to short.
Yeah, if you feel like 650 is not gonna break, you can try. But
I don't know if it's gonna hit it though. Stop
You
loss
hear
over
him?
break it.
He's got no meetings on the schedule. You hear him?
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Buy
I
this
forgot.
fucker.
I forgot Pigeon's the ones talking, bro.
no, I just ran my measure really quick on it right now, so I'm seeing 650 is just holding it up. Once 650 opens and they really want to snag it up, they will do it. And 679, 665, 679 will trade.
We're on short ES 1 minute. About $50, come on. Maybe midpoint of this week may hold the price, but it's bullish right now, really bullish. But let's see. We're inside the breaker block. With the space picker swing high, with the space back down. We already respected it, so it doesn't really need to go back down there. Wait.
It's all about 650, Luke.
Wait. Pigeons, why do you have to speak, bro?
Okay. Let's check this out. I've got a screen share going.
Someone make a
So you'll
meeting for
see-
pigeons, guys. One sec, let me just get stopped out and then we can check the stream. I really like this show.
Are
I
you
really like it.
Are you shorting this?
Yeah. I don't know where my stop loss is. My stop loss is too tight though.
Do your thing, man. Do your thing.
Yep, stopped out.
Okay. All right, let's look for 5 points.
I blame pigeons.
655.
So here's a jade block. But you never get an
56.
entry. Here's the model, but you never get an entry.
I guess everybody watch Chad's stream. I'm turning mine on.
No, dude,
Yeah.
I'm not streaming. I just want to show you this.
Come on, bro. Stream it so we can see it.
See all the fight on the